Brush effect animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to make a brush effect animation in PowerPoint easily. So let's begin the topic. This is a blank PowerPoint presentation. Go to Home, go to New Slide, insert a blank slide. And you can insert a picture from anywhere. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to Online Picture. Let me search Baby Girl. Click on this picture, click on Insert. You can insert a picture anywhere from your computer. Now resize it, holding the Shift key and resize it. And now I have to crop it. Go to Picture Format, go to Crop, and let me crop it like this. Click on Crop. Now it looks good. Let me click on this picture, click on Ctrl X to cut, click on right button, click on Format Background, click on Picture or Texture Fill, click on Clipboard. Then the photo will be added as a background picture. Now I have to go Insert, go to Text box, drag it over here, write capital I and change the font from here, Road Rage font. Now I have to increase the font size, actually 300. So where you will find the Road Rage font? You have to go to any of your browser, write Road Rage font. Go to this website and download this font from here. Click on this and unzip this folder. Click on OK. Go to this folder. Click on this font and install it. Then the Road Rage font will appear in your PowerPoint presentation. Now I have to increase the font size again and place it like this. Then go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this and send to backward. And click this one and go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Intersects. Now place this brush shapes like this, press Ctrl D to duplicate and press it like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Select all of the shapes, press Ctrl G to group them together. Go to Insert, go to Shapes, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here like this. And go to Shape Fill, make it white fill. Go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. Click on this shape and click on Send to Backward. Then I have to ungroup all of these shapes, actually the brush shapes, and select all of the shapes and go to Format Shape, go to Slide Background Fill. Now I have to select this shape, go to Gradient Fill and change the fill color from here. This looks good. Now I have to add some animations from here. Click on this shape, go to Animation, go to Add Animation, click on Wipe and change the duration to 1 second. Then click on this animation, go to Animation Painter, click on this animation and change the direction from here and click on After Previous. Again go to Animation Painter and click on this shape and effect option from left. Again click on Animation Painter, click on this shape from top. Again click on Animation Painter, click on this shape. Again click on Animation Painter and click on this shape and effect option from bottom. And select all of the shapes and click on Animation Pen, click on right button, go to Timing, repeat 2. Click on OK. Now if I want to watch the slideshow, what will actually happen? It looks good. So if you really like our video, please subscribe our channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.